Power to the people, more power.
More power.
Thutha wa President William Ruto kuba kamete ya mwanya ya guthurima na gutongoria mihango ya uria andu aria manyamaritio mekurihwo ni thirikari aya ari hamwe na aria moragirwo na kugurario hindi ya mirurungano oro undu umwe na aria matungirio minyamariko thutha wa bara cia kinduriri cia mwaka wa 2007-2008 riu ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia umundu rungu rwa Police Reform Working Group ni iraganite na ikinya riri. Maugete ona gutuika ni maranyita baru itashukia ria thirikari ria gwitikira kuriha andu aya kumbo gwa kamiti ino gutigite ciuria cia kiwatho na kurumirirwo gwa gatiba makihinyiriria kamiti igie gutetera ihoto cia umundu Kenya National Commission on Human Rights niyo ifatie kuheo uigiririki uyu.
We question the process, composition and overlap with mandates of existing constitutional commissions and legal bodies. We demand a justice process which meets international laws and the UN guiding principles of the rights to remedy and reparations.
The Constitution of Kenya has established and empowered independent constitutional commissions, such as the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights, mandated to protect human rights, investigate violations, and ensure state accountability.
Kuunga mkono huku tunasema kuambatane na sheria. Na kwa kusema hivyo tumesema tumekagua sheria na tukaona tume ya Kenya National Commission on Human Rights iko na uwezo wa kuweza kufanikisha mambo haya ya ridhaa.
Maugete kihoto kia andu aya to kurihwo kibeca tu ende ni gutigirira ni kwagĩa na uigĩrĩrĩki na aria matungiria andu ngero matashukirio makinya.
The prevalence of human rights violations during protest management has also caused significant risk to journalists, impacting their work and overall safety.
Oho ni mokireire na gukumithia cieko cia gutharikirwo na kunyamario kwa aruiriri a ihoto cia umundu.
We urge the victims to remain vigilant if proposed compensation does not fully address their quest for justice and restoration.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni jetagwo Wangui wa Muirore.
Webaki nyuma sitwaenda na haki.